Hey, my name is Abe Parker. I came here to Estenove here in Turkey. I have a receding hairline that was bugging me. Don't look at me, it's all your fault. I'll be smooth sailing. And came here to get that fixed. For me personally, I think the biggest thing is that as a musician in the music industry, unfortunately, it's a very youth-focused industry, and a lot of times, I hate to say this, but people just don't want to listen to their music if you look old. I just want to be able to appeal to people that are maybe younger than me without people looking at me and just kind of writing me off. You know what I'm saying?
Really glad to be here and really excited to support him on it and take care of him on the flight home.
I'm a big baby.
That's the important part. I definitely didn't want him to come by himself.
Reason I smile like an idiot at my phone, take wrong exits on my drive.
Day one is done, and let's head to day two. Journey of deciding to get a hair transplant started probably 4 or 5 years ago. I noticed that my hair was thinning and receding. I did a bunch of research. I tried minoxidil, and I just didn't see any progress.
We will take your hairs from the back, also from the sides.
Okay. Probably just maybe come down just a teeny bit.
Yeah.
Just a teeny bit, and then come up kind of like that, and then there. So there's a little bit of a bump, because I think I just have a naturally kind of curved line.
For the man, when we are older, the hairline receding is natural, it's the normal. I think the same to you, with you, because I don't want to go too much lower, because we are not a teenage here.
Yes, no, I'm the same way. I don't really want to take it too much lower.
Okay.
I took a breath, but there was nothing there. You stole the oxygen out of this northern Georgia air, but now I'm...
We just did the consultation with a doctor, which was awesome. We drew this line on my head. I'm excited because we talked a lot about what it'll look like in 30 years or 20 years, and that's something that's important to me too, to make sure that it looks natural, like hairline that I had when I was younger. So yeah, I'm excited, and once we get these needles done, I'll be smooth sailing.
Now you're the reason I smile like an idiot at my phone.
So last night was good. It was a little rough at first, just the pain and swelling. But I started doing more of the ice compressions, and then we bumped up the medicine I was taking, and I slept great. So I got maybe 6 hours of sleep, which for me is good. If I'm being you got to sleep elevated, so that makes it difficult, but being able to sleep that much, being elevated was good. So feel rested, and we had a good breakfast, and yeah.
Now we're here.
Now we're here.
I was a little worried, but yeah, once he took a little bit more pain medicine, slept like a baby.
Yeah. How are we doing?
Yeah, looks fine. Yesterday we implanted 2,100 grafts.
Yep.
For this area, it's good. Amount of grafts. Now you have swelling a little bit. It's normal.
Okay.
It will be temporary. 4 or 5 days later, it will be gone.
Okay.
And your grafts looks healthy. You
Good.
don't have any problem.
Good.
Okay.
Great. So we just finished. Hair looks great. They just washed my head, and I'm ready to head home.